This package is really exciting. It's a big package full of bulk parts. Most of them are in reels, like this, like you put into a pick-and-place machine. And we're not a production house. We don't actually make any of our own stuff, so we don't usually buy in bulk. We just buy the stuff we need to make the prototypes. But we're growing a bit, and it just seemed logical to buy the stuff we use most in reels. Well, these are labeled 200 pieces 1K ohm quarter watt resistor, but it's actually our it's, I believe, 200 10 UF tantalum capacitors. Maybe we can run that through the capacitor tester or something. 10 UF 0603 ceramics. We've been trying to move to those instead of tantalum wherever we can. They're a little bit cheaper and sort of better for the world. We've got a big spool full of buttons. I'm always running out of these. I've got a couple in the part drawer here, but we needed more. I believe this is 100. And these sets of pin header and both male and female pin headers, I believe 10 per bundle. They were like, I don't know, they were fairly reasonable, $1 or $2 a piece. And we go through these quite regularly, even though we don't really do a lot of through-hole stuff, but these are USB, the large size, not mini. I think these might be for shock. These are SD card holders, not part of our order. Here, these are 1 UF 0603. We use that in front of or behind those small 3.3 volt regulators and other parts. Okay, this is a 10K ohm 0603 sized. These are resistors we use just all over the place for pull-ups, for sometimes LEDs if we just want them to be, not so very bright. So many surface mount LEDs tend to be very bright because even 2 to 4 milliamps is more than enough for them. Okay, 2K in 0603. That's the other go-to for LED resistors. It's also the reset voltage on PIC 24, 30, 33. That's the pull-up resistor you put on the reset pin. So we thought we'd get a reel of those. We've also got a couple LCDs. These are, I believe, red on black, normal LCDs. This is a sample of a 3.3 volt LCD. We wanted to find something that would actually work with a 3.3 volt microcontroller. It's always questionable whether that will work, and often the only solution is use pull-up resistors to pull it to 5 volts, and then once you do that you have to slow it way down because the pull-ups are so slow and it doesn't work. Well, that's it. That's our big part order, our first one. We've also got several hundred 3.3 volt regulators and SOT223 coming from eBay, a few hundred 20 megahertz crystals in surface mount packages HC49U, and a few other things. We'll record those occasions as they come up too.